Hey, it's Ginger from Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I gave another one of my awesome finds from the thrift store, Princess Merida, a makeover. Princess Merida of Dunbroch, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, is the main character from the Disney Pixar movie Brave. Tell me down below who your favorite princess is. Before I start the video, how about subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down after you watch. And I love reading your comments, so please leave one down below. I want to thank It's a Stroke of Life Melissa, I'm Jeff's Girl, Lola Rainbow 2, and to everyone who leaves comments on my videos, thank you so much. You are awesome. Let's take another look at Princess Merida before I start her makeover. Wow, her hair is really curly. I want to straighten her hair, so first I started by washing her and giving her a good face scrub with a small brush and dish soap. Then I put in a little conditioner for a few minutes. Rinse. And now I brush her hair out. I'm going to straighten her hair with a hot iron. This is an old iron, so the temperature levels are very low. Make sure to always test a spot in the back of her head to make sure the iron isn't too hot. I separated her hair to make it easier with a hair clip. I have her original dress, but I can't remember where I got this crown from. I'm going to paint it a goldish color to match her dress. And I'm going to add some sparkle with some gold glitter. And yes, I probably didn't have to paint the crown. Now I'm going to put on her dress. I really love the color of her dress. Maybe I'll add a little gold chain onto it. Now let's take a look at the before and after pictures. What do you think? Do you like her hair curly or straight? Tell me down below. Personally, I love her hair straight because it feels really soft. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!